welcome to my channel. Well, as you guys have already read by the description, I am doing a protective hairstyle with some hair that I ordered off of Amazon. I just opened the box and it looks like this. I'll be sure to leave it in the description box just in case you guys ever want to order it. Super cute, and it has the ombre at the bottom and of course the darker color towards the top. So let's get right into this. Again, this is 20-inch hair in the color 1B and 27 at the end. So it has an ombre look to it. And the best thing about this hair is that it came with a crochet hook and needle and also some of these hair jewelry that you can put on the end. I may or may not be using these, but it's cool that it came with it. And my oldest sister, she actually braided my hair for me. I was putting on a different wig and I just needed my hair braided down because I cannot scalp braid it for nothing. I'm gonna learn, you know, one of these days I'm gonna learn. But yeah, she's been the only one to braid my hair for like forever. Shout out to you, Malia. Thank you so much for always doing my hair. You always do such a great job. And my braids are like, what is it? Now 2 weeks. Yeah, this is going on 2 weeks now, so it does not look the best. I've been keeping it nice and oiled and watered down to make sure that it's moisturized very well. So yes, nice little loop here. So what I'm gonna do first is open my clamp and go to my first braid and push it right in there. I'm going to put this, I hope y'all can see okay, put this loop on the end of the hook. Then I'm gonna close the clamp. Then close the clamp and pull it through. Okay. Now you can take your hook out. I got my mirror over here so I can see what the heck I'm doing. You'll find the loop and put the crochet, you know, the rest of the crochet hair into the loop. Just pull it through. And I'm just gonna do one time in the back just because I know it's gonna stay. And you just fasten it and boom, girl. Look, girl, you got some hang time. Next one, I need to be timing myself. I'm about to time myself just to see how long this takes. So again, you'll open your loop on your hair, put your crochet hook into your braid, put the crochet hair onto the hook, close the hook, pull it through. All right, now let's take off your crochet needle. Find your hair, just pull it through the loop and tighten it to fasten it, and boom, bam. If you have never done this before, as you can see, this is already like so easy. So I'm gonna be doing more crochet hairstyles on my channel. Y'all go ahead and comment below and let me know if you guys have ever tried any crochet hairstyles. Because like I said, again, I cannot scalp braid for anything. I try to scalp braid and it just gets so loose. It's just not really presentable. I mean, I guess I could try and just do it for, you know, a hairstyle like this that's simply gonna cover up the hair anyway. But I just like when my sister does it. Somber days today. All is well. Praise God. All is well. But you know how gets the best of you. And, you know, you get the moment of discouragement, and that's okay. You know, you just gotta keep on pressing. You just gotta keep encouraging yourself. Nobody can say that they've never been discouraged, you know? You just gotta cry it out, pray it out, whatever you gotta do. You gotta let that frustration out, but you gotta keep on pressing, keep on pushing. Man, my head look big. But, no, but for real, just keep on praying, keep on pressing, because you are still here. So that just lets me know that God has taken care of it before, and he'll do it again. People be going through it, man. You just don't know what people are going through, or, you know, what level in life, you know, they're in. I saw a meme the other day, and it was like, welcome to November 2020. You have entered the 11th realm, I think it was realm, of Jumanji. And I was like, that's accurate. That's exactly what it feels like, freaking Jumanji. Did y'all vote? Did y'all vote? Like, if you didn't vote, I am upset with you. Don't even say if you didn't, because you should have voted. But it is November 4th. It is 6:15 p.m. and we're still waiting on these numbers. We're still waiting on these votes to come in. But Joe Biden, he is in the lead at this point, and to God be the glory. He has 246 votes, and Trump has, I think it was 214, 213, something like that. So I'm praying for the change that this country needs, where it's unity, respect of everyone, every race. Y'all know, I'm doing a lot of talking. But how was y'all day today? That's what I feel like. Like, I'm getting so comfortable doing my YouTube. I feel like, I just be talking to people, and I mean, no, y'all not responding, but y'all respond later. Y'all respond later. In the beginning, it was like, oh my God, I'm talking to myself. This is so weird. But I done got used to it. I've been doing this now for 6 minutes and 20 seconds, and how many's in here? A lot. We finna be done in no time. Praise God. Praise God. All right, so now you can see, I mean, don't look at my edges and stuff. We're not done with the hairstyle yet, so don't judge. All right, so now I'm at the actual scalp braid. What I'm gonna do is put my my crochet hair in this way, going from the top down to the bottom. You'll see. You hook it on, close your hook again, pull it through, find your hair loop, then detach your hook. I am going to, okay, so I got my loop. I'm going to twist it one time, then pull the hair through and tighten it, make it closer. This helps so it's more of a seamless look. I hope this makes sense versus like a loop. You can see the loop at the top, whereas here the loop is on the bottom. So I hope this is making sense. Because I did open up my door, but I just wanted to show you guys because there are gaps. I am crocheting in my hair. So on the portion, I really hope y'all can see it. You see how it is just hair here? I'm gonna go in upside down where the hair is on, you know, this part of the hair, just a little bit. Y'all hear the ice go. Put it on the hook, close the latch, pull it through, and it's the exact same thing. I just wanted to show you guys how I'm doing that, so when I put it up or wear it down, it's not, you know, you don't see gaps. You don't just see that it's crocheted directly on the braids, because that'll look tacky. I hope y'all get what I'm saying. I'm gonna do it one more time. I'm gonna do it up here, that way I know I can see. So right here is just my hair. So I hope I'm explaining it okay, and I hope that you guys are understanding well. If you guys have any questions, definitely send me a comment. You guys can follow me on any social media and just send me a message if you guys have any questions about how I'm doing this crochet. But again, you see where my hair, before it goes into the braid, I'm gonna put my hook in open. The hook is open. Then I'm gonna put the crochet hair directly onto the hook, close the hook, pull it through, find my loop, then detach the crochet hook and take, you know, the loop, I'm gonna twist it, going along with the natural twist of the passion twist. Gonna twist it, pull the rest of the hair through that loop, tighten it, you know, make sure my loop is nicely fastened, and there you go. So that is how I am closing up my gaps, just so you guys are aware. Yeah. And please also go ahead and make sure you are subscribed down below. Hit that notification bell so that you're always notified whenever I post a new video. And go ahead and follow me on my social media accounts if you guys, you know, want to be a little friendly. Let me know, because I definitely post a whole bunch of stuff onto Snapchat, as well as my IG story and Facebook and stuff like that. But yeah, just go ahead and follow me on my social medias. It'll be down in the description box. Yes, and let's be friends. Yeah, this is pretty easy. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my big old head, and then I'll be back. Well, this is the finished product. I think I did a really great job with this, and this hairstyle literally only took me 2 hours and 15 minutes. As y'all remember, I did do a stopwatch, and yeah, it was only 2 hours and 15 minutes. I am so, man, this turned out so well. And I love how and I'm glad she braided it this way. That way, you know, I can have a part right here. I can have a deeper part, like such. I love this hair. I would definitely be purchasing this hair again. The passion twists are very bouncy. I used every single pack. I used all 6 packs for my big old head. But I was, you know, trying to make sure I filled in all the spaces that I wanted to. I honestly could have gone with 1 more pack to make it much more fuller. For those of you that are curious, this is what the middle part look like. I mean, it's still cute, it's okay. The middle part is still very cute. Ooh, I am loving this. I am loving every bit of this. It's a very quick and easy hairstyle. If you guys try this hairstyle, definitely let me know. Comment down below how you guys like this hair, how you guys like this color on me. And if you guys are interested in how I did my makeup for this final look, I think I will be posting the video because I recorded that as well, and I'll just leave it up here for you guys to look at. But yeah, thank you guys so much for all of the real ones that always comment down below. You guys really are the real ones, and when I get to where I need to be in life, I will not forget about y'all, okay? So thank you guys so much. You guys are always in the comment section, always blowing me up, family and friends, and then new subscribers as well. So Thank you guys so much for boosting me up, because I really do appreciate it. You know, it's a little hard to kind of get out your own head and still post content. You know, just the thought of doing YouTube in general was like, nah. But over the years, you know, I've been wanting to do it so bad, and I'm just grateful that 2020 was a year that I just stepped out of my own head and went for it anyway. I appreciate you guys so much for watching. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Go ahead and share this video to your friends. Don't forget to trust God. Trust God at all times, period, okay? Have a good one. Thank you so much for tuning in.